Metro Line 3 has unveiled the Kalba Devi metro station, giving a brand new identity to one of the city's busiest commercial hubs. Well, the pictures of this metro station were officially shared on the 29th of September, showing that it's been built using NATL, that is an advanced tunneling technology that shows that underground constructions are even more safe. So, hi, this is Khatija, and you're watching Lokmat Times. But before I share more details with you, do subscribe to our channel. Well, this metro station promises to ease the congestion and while improving connectivity for thousands of daily commuters. Now let's go inside and find out all the visuals. I'll show you everything, what's inside. So as soon as you enter the Kalba Devi metro station, you'll move ahead and you'll see those ticket vending machines. See, these are the ticket vending machines. From here you can take your ticket through UPI payments as usual as the other metro stations. Now we'll go down and look how the platforms are looking like. So after taking your tickets, this is the stair which will take you towards the platform, towards the ticket counter. And as you can see the signboard here in Hindi, English and Marathi, which will guide you towards the ticket office. So this is the ticket counter where you can take your ticket. Here the online payments and cash payments both are available. So now we'll move ahead and we'll see the security checks. This is the place where you can scan your bags and take and enter. And after that, this is the place where you can scan your tickets and finally go towards your platform to catch the metro. But when you go towards the metro to catch it, you have to take 2 escalators. That means you have to go down and down. So these are the escalators we are taking right now to go towards the platform. And as you can see the construction over here, so as you all can see, another signboard which is guiding towards you the platform. And this is the second escalator which you have to take to go towards the platform. Construction has been built over here and you'll see the platform, you'll see many signboards which will guide you which are the nearby stations where you want to go. You can check it. As soon as you come out here, this is the place which will take you directly towards the last station, that is Kaf Parade. Here I'll show you all the station after Acharya Yatri Chowk, because Acharya Yatri Chowk was the last station where you used to travel from. So see, this is the platform. When you enter here, there is a greeting text which says, "Welcome to Kalba Devi Metro Station." And then we'll move forward. I'll show you the station, all the station names after Acharya Yatri Chowk. Earlier, the Acharya Yatri Chowk was the last station. Now, after Acharya Yatri Chowk, you can move ahead towards Vigyan Kendra, which is the next station, and then Mahalakshmi Metro, then Jagannath Shankar Seth Metro, then there is Grant Road Metro, then there is Girgaon, and Kalba Devi Metro, Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj Terminus, then comes the Hutatma Chowk, then Churchgate Metro, 26th station is the Vidhan Bhavan, and lastly the 27th station is Kaf Parade, where you can reach out finally. So now you can see the platform and the doors. From here you can catch your metro. These are the security doors. You have to wait till your metro arrives. So right after when you go into the metro or if you come out, there is another signboard which will guide you toward for exits. See, as here are multiple exits which will help the commuters and traders because of its nearby landmarks. See, as here are multiple exits, A1, B1, or here's A1, B2. These are the exits that you can take from here, which will make the way easier. So as you see the platforms, there are more space. It is widened. So let's hope there will be no congestions, as there is one platform and there is another. And when you finally decide to take exit, there is another signboard which will guide you to take exit. There are 3 exits. First is A1. So here you can look out which are the places you can take exit from here. So see, these are the markets, Manish markets, Mangaldas markets. These you will get from A1 exit, and there is another B1 exit. So here you can read out the places. There is another bazaar, that is Zaveri Bazaar, New Hailai, Bhatia Mahajanwadi, Swadeshi markets, and all of this. And there is lastly B2 exit, which is closed as of for now, but it is going to open soon. From here, you can go out directly to see St. Francis Xavier Church, Lokmanya Bal Gangadhar Tilak Udyan, and Marine Lines. And these are the places where you can go out from here. Now, finally, I'll tell you that this metro is going to make people's life very easy. This is going to be the lifeline of Mumbai, as it will directly drop you towards Cuff Parade. This is going to make life very easy for the daily commuter who wants to travel daily towards South Mumbai. Like the last station was Cuff Parade. So, from tomorrow, that is 8th of October, this metro will finally commence.